Have you ever thought of an experience of a European coastal lifestyle here in the Pink City? No, right? But you can definitely experience that here in La Palma, Jaipur. What's up, Jaipur? So today we are covering this place. By the way, this place is all set to welcome you with its dangerously delicious food and world-class cocktails. Those Funghi Pizza, and the best part about this pizza is that they follow the traditional method of making the base. So they don't roll it, they spread it and make it.
Welcome to La Palma. We wanted to create somewhere a bit of an international oasis for everyone here in Jaipur and introduce you to a little bit more of the cocktail lifestyle and bring the best international cocktails. So we have a lot of beautiful signature cocktails here on our menu, and our pizzas are amazing. They're done traditionally how they're supposed to be done in Italy. They're really authentic. They taste great. The ingredients are all imported, so they're really delicious. So hope you can come down and try some of our food and our beautiful cocktails and enjoy the atmosphere.